Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss work numericals. Work, power, energy, work numericals. So already, children, I told what formula is force into displacement into cos theta. Fs cos theta. Some numericals we will do, children. So first numerical. First numerical. So children, question is like this, children. Force acting is 150 Newton. With this force, it went to a distance of 50 meters. What is the work done? What is the work done? What is the formula, children? Work is equal to easy now, children. What is the formula? Directly F into S. Okay, so work is equal to 150 into 50. That is work is equal to 7500 joules. Direct question, children. This is okay. I will increase the complexity. Slowly, I will increase the complexity. Next one, children. Mass of 10 kg is there. Mass of 10 kg is displaced through a 2 meters. Is displaced through a 2 meters under acceleration of 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. What is the work acting on it? What is the work? Okay, Tanmay, tell how to do this. Work is equal to
F into S.
from Newton second law. Work is equal to MAS. M is how much? 10,
And
5. Say
into
na,
5
what you are saying? 200 joules. Everything I am only saying. What you are telling now? Third question. A car weighing 1000 kg. A car weighing 1000 kg. Lahari, you tell now. Traveling a distance at a speed of 30 meters per second. 30 meters per second. Stops. Stops since final velocity is zero. After it's traveling a distance of 50 meters. Okay. So, first question, what is the force? Second question, what is the work? Yeah, Lahari, can you tell?
Sir, work is equal to force into displacement.
Yeah, first, no, the first for force view, F is equal to ma.
MA.
Work is equal to F into S, but acceleration is not there. How do we find acceleration? We
V
have
minus
UVS, we have UVS. None,
V square minus U square equals to.
wait, none, disturbance is there. Mute your audio, I will tell. Okay. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Tell none, tell. 0 square minus 30 square is equal to 2 into acceleration and S is 50 meters. Children. Okay. So minus 900 is equal to 100A. So this gone. Acceleration minus you got, but you need not to take minus 7 because it is retardation. So this is retardation. So acceleration will be 9 only, children. Okay. Now what is force? Mass into
Mass
acceleration.
into X.
Tell.
1000 into 9.
100 into 9. How much?
9000 Newton.
Next work.
Force into displacement.
How much? Force is 9,000.
9000 into
Displacement is how much? 50.
50.
So how much? 4, 45, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lakhs 50,000 joules. 4 lakhs 50,000 joules. Next meteor audio. Next. Yeah, children. Next question. Fourth question. So, Nandika, you did.
Yes, sir.
Work you have to find out. Mass is 10 kg. Lifted through a height of 49. Lifted to a certain height. So work done is when you lift to certain height, the work done is 490 joules. Question is, what is the height he lifted? What is the
Yes.
height he lifted?
W is equal to mgh.
W is called first force into displacement.
Goes into displacement.
F we can write as ma.
Ma into
That
h.
is
mgh.
So how much? 490 is
W
equal to
490 is equal to 10 into 10, 9.8 into h.
9.8 into 10 is 98.
98. H
490
is
by
equal to
98.
490 by 98. H is equal to 5
5
meters.
meters. 5 meters. H is equal to 5 meters. Next. Srihita, are you there? Okay, Yashasvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Work is 48.4 joules. Travel distance travel is 40 centimeters. Find the force. Yeah, work is equal to.
Work is equals to force into displacement.
Okay.
So 48.4 is equals to F into 40
40 centimeters to meters by 100.
by 100, sir.
0 1. This will go here. 484. 48.4 into 10 is 484. Mute your audio.
Yes, sir.
F is equal to 484 by 4. So force is equal to children 121 joules. Force is equal to 121 joules. Okay, children. Next one. Next. Mute your audio, children, all of you. Next. A force of 20 Newton. A force of 20 Newton displaces an object by 10 centimeters and does 1 joule of work. In the process. Find the angle. Vivek, can you tell this one?
Yes,
Find the
sir.
angle. Yeah, tell me.
Work is equal to force into displacement into cos theta.
Fs cos theta, very good.
Fs cos theta.
No.
So work is equal to 1 joule, sir. 1 is equal to 2 into 10 into cos theta.
No, 10 by 100.
Oh, sorry, sir. 10 by 100 into cos theta, sir. 0 cancel. So yeah, 1 is equal to 2 cos theta. So 1 by 2 cos theta, sir.
1 by 2 is how much? Cos 60.
Cos 60.
Cos 60 is 1 by 2 cos theta. So cos gan. So theta is 60 degrees is the angle between force and displacement. Mute your audio.
Okay.
So 50 degrees is the angle between. Next, Vikram is there. Next, a pair of bullock carts exerts a force of 140 Newton. Okay, on a plow. The field being plowed 15 meter long. How much work is done? Neeraj, how much work is done? Yeah,
Yes, sir. Work is equal to force into time.
displacement.
Force into displacement. Work is equal to 140 into 15.
2100 joules.
That is equal to 2100 joules.
2100 joules. Okay, children. So this next. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Keep copying. Next is us. Okay, children. Next question. Shanmukh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me next. So ninth question. See here. A crane pulls mass of 500 kg car to a vertical height of 4 meters. Find the work done. Another formula of work is, this is mg, this is h. Another formula of work is mgh. Yeah, tell me now.
Work is equals to mgh.
Okay.
Work is equals to 500 into 10 into 4.
Work
Work
is
is
20. 1,
20.
2. So 20,000 joules. 20,000 joules. Next. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. A force of 10 Newton. A force of 10 Newton displaces a body by 2 meters at an angle of 60 degrees. What is the work done? What is the formula?
Work is equals to F into S into cos theta.
Okay. 10 into
Work
2
is
into
equals to 10 into 2 into cos 60.
10
Work
into
is
2
equals
into.
to 2 into 1 by 2.
So work is how much? 10 joules. Cost 60 is 1 by 2 children. This all you will study in 10th class. No, don't need to worry. If they give also cos theta value, they will give in exam. If they give also. Next, Saisha. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. A boy of mass 40 kg climbs up 30 steps. Okay, each step is 20 centimeters in 2 minutes. Okay, so question is, what is the work done? What is the power of this boy? Work done formula. This is the
Work.
formula.
Work is equal to mgh.
Okay, so how much is the mass?
40 into
10 into 10 into, I will take 9.8 or 10. Height Newton, one step is 20 centimeters. 30 steps is
30
30 into 20, but centimeters to meters? Centimeters to meters by 100.
by
20 centimeters to meters is by 100, children. So this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. So work is how much? 4 is a 12, 12 is a 24, 2400 joules. 2400 joules. Can you tell me the power? How to find power? Girl, what is the formula for power, Amma? Power is equal to work by time.
work by time.
2400 by time is how much? 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Will have how many seconds? 2 into 60.
60.
2 into 60. This gone, 2, 20 watts is the power of this boy. Power of this boy. Next. Yep. Next again. Okay, children. So an electric motor of 100 watts, children. Electric motor is there, 100 watts power. Is used to drive the spinner in a water bath. 50% of energy supplied to motor is spent in steering. Now calculate the work done in 1 minute. Calculate the work done in 1 minute. Who will tell this up? Calculate the work done in 1 minute. Anyone?
Can I say?
Sir, I'll say, sir, Neeraj.
Yeah, first she asked her, no? We'll give a chance to her. Tell now.
Work is equal to power into time.
Okay, so first power is equal to work by time. Now
Power
you
is
tell
equal to work.
work is equal
Work
to,
is equal to power into time.
okay,
Work is equal to 1000 into
100
1
into
by
1 minute and 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
So how much?
Work is equal to 6000 joules.
But 50% of the energy supplied is spent in steering the water. 50% is going waste. So how much will be useful? 50% waste means 30,000 joules.
30,000
Half is
joules.
gone. Half is gone.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So next question. Neeraj, now you tell. A man exerts a force of 200 Newton. He is moving at a constant speed of 16 meters per second. Find the power. Find the power. Again, power question came. No problem. So, children, I told power is equal to
Work by time.
Force into displacement by time.
Time, sir.
Displacement by time
So
is,
force into displacement is equal to velocity.
so
Power is equal to, force is equal to 2000 into Newton.
okay, power is equal to 3200 watts.
3200 watts.
So 3200 watts. Next question. Okay, children, next question. The work done by the heart is, children, the work done by the heart is 1 joule per beat. The work done by the heart is 1 joule per beat. Calculate the power of the heart if it beats 72 times in 1 minute. Who will tell this? Calculate the power of the heart. Calculate the power of the heart.
So can I say?
Tell me.
Power is equal to
Power is
work
equal
by
to power is
by
equal to
time.
work by time. Okay.
Power is equal to
What is
72 joules.
1 beat is 1 joule. 72 beats means 72 joules.
72 joules.
And say 1 minute
72 by
means
60
60
seconds.
seconds. So very good. So 12 by 10 means
12 by 10 1.2.
watts
Watt.
is the power of the heart. Very good. Fantastic. Okay, children, next question. 15 question. Okay, children, next question. See here, 1 second. Yeah, a body when acted upon by a force of 10 kgf. Children, a body is acted upon by 10 kgf.
Sir, you gave in 14th question. What is it, sir? Work is equal to 1 joule by
1 joule per beat. 1 beat, 1 joule, Nana. 72 beats is 72 joules. 1 joule, 1 beat. 1 beat is doing work of 1 joule.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, force of 10 kgf is displacing a body by 0.5 meter. Calculate the work done. Question is calculated. Okay. And if at the angle of 60 degrees, Okay, Tanmay, tell me how to do this question.
Yes, sir.
Formula
Work equals to
W
F
is equal to
work equals to F into S into cos.
Fs cos theta. Yeah. But 10
Work.
kgf, what is the meaning of 10 kgf, Nana? What is the meaning of 10 kgf? Anyone in the class? What is the meaning
Sir,
of 10
10
kgf?
kgs of force.
No, 10 kgf means anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? 10 kgf meaning?
Frequency.
No, Nana. Kgf means force only. 10 kgf means 10 into 9.8 you should do. Then you will get 98 Newton. 10 kgf means 10 into acceleration due to gravity you should do. Remember children, if they give in kgf, 5 kgf means 5 into 9.8. 100 kgf means 100 into 9.8. 10 kgf means 10 into 9.8. So 98 Newton. Now Tanmay, tell how much is the force?
98
Displacement?
0.5.
That is 5
5
by
by
10.
10
Cos?
into 60.
Cos 60 is how much? Anyone?
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good. Cos 60 I wrote somewhere here only. With somewhere I wrote cos 60. Yeah, there here. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 49 by 2 is how much, children? 24.5 joules is the answer. Like this, children. So children, you have studied one new concept kgf. Kgf means you have to do into acceleration due to gravity. Sometimes they will tell you to take g10. Take 10 only. 10 into 10 like this. Okay, children. Next one. I hope you are following, children. Maximum number of numericals I am telling, children. Please keep doing, try to do all this numericals, children. Then you will become perfect. 16th question. A boy of mass 40 kg climbs up our stairs and reaches the roof of height 8 meters in 5 seconds. First question: find the force, work, power. Lahari, can you do it?
Force is equal to mass into acceleration.
Acceleration, but he's going up. He's going up means mg. He's going up means mg. Tell na 40
40
into
into 10
40 into 10. Okay, so 400 Newton.
Newton.
Now tell me work.
F into S. Force is 400 into
8 meters.
8.
3200 joules. Now tell me power. What do you find power? Power is equal to.
Work by time.
So how much is the work?
3200
100 by 5.
5.
6640 watts. Thank you. Next. 17th question. Sridhar is not there, I think. Okay. Nalika, you tell. A man spends 6.4 kilojoules of energy or work is same, in displacing a body by 64 meters in the direction in which he applies the force in 2.5 seconds. Question is, find the force, find the power in HP. Find the power in HP. Both you should find out. Find the force, find the power.
Yes, F is equal to MA.
Okay, but the work is equal to force into
Work is
displacement.
equal to force into displacement.
Work is how much?
Work is 6.4 is equal to
Into
F
1000. Kilo
into
means,
1000.
Kilo means into force into
Force into
64.
64.
If you remove this point by 10,
So by
this
10,
gone, this gone. So force is how much?
force is 100 Newton.
100 Newton. Force you got. Now tell me power. Power is equal
Power
to.
is equal to work by time.
Work is how much?
Work is 6.4 kilojoule into 1000
And this is
by
2.5.
2.5.
This point will go away. So what do you get? 64 into
6.4
1000 by 25.
25.
25 fours are 4 fours are 16. 24.
Power is equal to 256.
2560 watts. 2560 watts. Next. Okay. So 18th question. A man lifted a load of 200 kgf. A man lifted a mass of 200 kgf. Kgf means I told you what you should do. To a height of 2.5 meters. This is weight, mass, children. This is force, okay? Force in 5 seconds. Question is, find the work and power. In last question, children, I forgot to say this he wanted in the horsepower. This he wanted in horsepower. How to do, children, in horsepower? 1 horsepower is equal to
746 watts.
How many horsepower is equal to 2560 watts? Cross multiplication. 2560 into 1 is equal to 746 into x. This goes down. X is equal to, can anyone use calculator and tell me 2560 by 746 is how much? Yes, anyone?
Sir, 3.43.
3.43
43.
HP. Thank you, Nana. 3.43 HP. HP means horsepower. Children. HP means horsepower. Horsepower is another unit of power. Okay, so next, Yashasvi, can you tell me here? He's asking question, find the work and also power. Yeah, Yashasvi?
So work
Sir, actually they use horsepower for calculating the speed of the vehicles.
No, power of the machines. Power of the machines.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Yashasvi, are you able to tell?
Yes, sir.
Work is equal to?
Work is equals to a force into displacement.
Force is how much?
200 kg.
200 into kgf means what? Into 10.
9.8.
Into 9.8 or into 10? No problem. Into 10. Distance is how much there?
2.5.
2.5 means 25 by 10. This gone. So 25 to the 50. 5,000 joules. Now can you tell the power here? Power.
Yes, sir. Power is equals to work by time. Power is equals to 5,000 by 5. So power is equals to 1,000 watts.
1 kilowatt. Yeah, thank you. Mute your audio. Mute question. A machine raises a load of 750 Newton. A machine raises a load of 750 Newton through a height of 16 meters in 5 seconds. Same. Calculate the work, calculate the power. Vivek, can you tell? Okay, Vikram, Neeraj, work is equal to?
Work is equal to force into displacement.
So
That is
750.
equal to 750 into 16. Work
Okay.
is equal to
Okay. So 16 zeros are 0, 16 fives are 80, 16 sevens are 6 sevens are 4, 112, 112 plus 8 is 150. 12,000 joules. Can be power?
yes, sir. Power is equal to work by time.
Okay.
Work is equal to, since work is equal to 12,000 by time is equal to 5 seconds.
5 twos are 12 twos are 24. So answer is 2400
Right.
watts.
Watts, sir.
2400 watts. Okay, children, I hope all of you are copying, children. Please keep copying. Okay, we'll do some 5-6 sums more and then we'll stop. Okay, already heavy dose is over for you. Okay, so some more sums we'll do, children. 5-6 sums and we'll stop. Next question. 20th question. Okay, children, so 20th question. Next, Shanmukh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
A pump, okay. Question 1 second. Yeah, a boy weighing 350 Newton climbs up 30 steps, each of height 20 centimeter in 1 minute. Calculate work done by him and power of that boy. Yeah, how much work is equal to?
Work is equals to mgh.
So mass is how much?
Mass is 350.
Mass into acceleration due to gravity directly he gave 350. And height is how much?
Height is 20 centimeters.
No, 30 steps of
Sorry, that
20
20
centimeters.
centimeters.
Centimeters to meters by
By
100. Centimeters to meters. Okay. So how much? This is 700. 700 3 is 2100 joules.
21.
Now, what is the power?
Power is equals to work by time.
So
Power is equals to 2100
by
by 60 seconds.
Okay.
P
3 7 are 3 2s are 35 watts.
35 watts.
35 watts is the answer. Next. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
21st question. So, question is, a boy weighing 40 kg climbs up the stair of 30 steps, each of 20 centimeters in 4 minutes. Same thing, a girl of 30 kg is doing same thing in 3 minutes. What is their work done and what is their power in each case? Yeah. Tell me first case. First case.
Work is equals to mgh
Okay.
40 into 1000.
40 into 10
40 into 10
into
into
30 steps of
30 into 20
by 100
by
centimeters to meters by 100. So how do you get? 3 to the 6 for 2400 joules.
2400 joules.
Now what is the power by of this boy?
Power is equals to work by time. Work is equals to
Minutes to seconds into 60 you should do.
into 6.
4 6 are 6 6 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 10 watts.
Work is equals to 10.
10 watts. Now tell me, girl, for this girl,
Work is equals to mgh.
okay,
Work is equals to 30 into
this is for boy. Work is
30
equal to
into 10
30 into 10 into
into
30 steps
30
of
into
20
20
centimeters
by
100.
100.
3 to the 6, 6 is 18. 1800 joules is the work done by girl.
Okay.
Now what is her power?
Power is equals to work by time. 1800 joules by
3 minutes.
3 minutes. 3 into 60.
3 6 18, 18 dozen. Even her power is also 10 watts.
10 minutes.
Thank you. Next, Saisha, is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is 20, this is 21, 22. A man raises a box of mass 50 kg to a height of 2 meters in 20 seconds. While another man make the same box to same height in 50 seconds. Same box, same height in 50 seconds. Question is, what is work done by this fellow and this fellow? What is power of this fellow and power of this fellow? Yeah. What is work done by this fellow? Work done by this fellow?
Work is equals to mgh.
Okay. How much? 50.
50 into 10 into
1000 joules.
1000.
Power is equal to work by time.
Work by time 1000 by 20 seconds.
So how much? 50 watts. 50 watts. Now here, W is equal to mgh. Tell me.
mgh. Work is equals to 50 into
2 into
10 2. Okay, 2 into
10. Sorry. 10 into 2. Okay, same. But the work is here also same. But power is equal to work by time. How much time? 50 seconds. Tell.
50 seconds. 1000 by 50, which is
20 watts.
20.
The power of this fellow is 20 watts.
20.
Okay, sure. Next. Yeah, next. Next. Okay. So, last question, children, for today. This is a boy takes 3 minutes to lift a 20-liter water bucket from 20-meter deep well, while his father does it in 2 minutes. Same 20 liters in 20 meters well. 20 liters in 20 meters well. Okay. Question is, compare the work and power developed by them. See, now you have to find out work. One second, children. What is the work in each case? What is the work in each case? What is the power in each case? In 1 second. Time is how much they give? In 2 minutes. No, sorry. This is minutes. I am getting confused. Minutes. Yeah, children. Tell me, what is the work here?
Work equals to mgh.
Okay. Mass is how much they give? Mass of water is how much they give?
20 liters.
20 liters. How to convert into kgs? You know, huh? Liters to kgs. Okay, no problem. Just take 20 kgs only. Liters will take into kgs. How to convert? I will say later. 20 into acceleration due to gravity is 10.
10.
And 20 meters. So this is 20 meters. Sorry, 20 meters height. How much? 4,000 joules. Here how much, Emma? Here how much?
Work equals to mgh.
Hmm.
Work equals to 20 into
10 into
10 into 20.
Here also
Work equals to
4,000.
4,000 joules.
But what is the power of each person? A lot of disturbance. Mute your audio. So children, we know power is called work by time. So 4,000 by 3 minutes. 3 minutes means 3 into 60 children. And here power is equal to work by time. So 4,000 by 2 minutes children. 2 into 60. 2 into 60. So children, how much it is? 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Here 200 by 6. Okay, 6 3s are 18, 633.3 watts approximately here. And here you see children, 400 by 18, 2 9s are 2 200s are. So 200 by 9 means how much children? 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 22.2 watts. So the power of the boy is 22.2 watts, whether the power of his father is 33.3 watts. This is how we are going to do different sums basing on work power energy children. So many sums I told you children. I hope you all understood children. Okay. The last 2-3 sums are there children. Still let me complete it off. Okay. Yeah. Nandina, you tell. Oh, sorry, Lahari is there. No, Lahari is there. Lahari, you tell. Lahari. Weight of the box is 150 kgf. Energy weight means force, man. So work or energy is 14,700 joules. Find the height it is raised. Can you tell, Lahari? Work
is equal to mgh.
Okay.
14,700 is
Okay.
equal to 150 into
150 into
9
10.
9 point
Okay, I will
10
tell you.
into
Mute your
h.
audio. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. So mass is children. Children actually see children. In see those who will not able to understand here. Work is equal to force into displacement. Force directly he gave it as 150 kgf. 150 kgf means 150 into 10. I told you many times. Kgf means into 10. Means into g you should do. And height we should find out. So this whole thing you bring here. So 14700 by 1500. So height is equal to 15 sevens, 9s are 135 children, and 9.8 meters is the height which it is lifted. Last question, children, for the day. Nandini, you did?
Yes, sir.
A truck weighing 1000 kgf. A truck weighing 1000 kgf changes its speed from 36 kmph to 72 kmph in 2 minutes. Question is, find the work and power. Find the work and
Work
power.
is equal to
Okay, work is equal to
F into
S.
F into S.
Okay, then what will do? F into S, what will do?
S is equal to UT plus half UT.
S is equal to UT plus half a square you want to take, huh?
Yes.
Force is given as 1000 kgf, 1000 into
1000
10.
into 10 into.
But displacement, how you will find out? Displacement is not there, no? Displacement, S is equal to UT plus half a square. If you do it, it will become very big. You know. Any other method is there? Any other method?
For other method, we need to find the acceleration.
Yes, compulsory you have to find the acceleration. Without finding acceleration, how we will use S is equal to UT plus half a square also? No?
Yes.
Will you use S is equal to UT plus half a square? So, okay, tell me initial velocity is how much? Initial velocity is 36
into 5 by 18.
Final
10
velocity
meters.
is
72 into 5 by 18.
18 to the 2 5.
10.
Initial velocity is 10 meters per
10
second.
meters per second.
Final
Final is
velocity
20 meters per second.
20 meters per second. Time is how much? 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes means the time. So
60 seconds.
acceleration
Sorry,
is
120.
V minus
U by T. 20 minus 10 by 120.
Okay. Acceleration is 10 by
10 by 2, 120,
1 by
1 by
12.
12 meters per second square.
Now we have to find out distance. Still, how do you find distance? S is equal to?
F is equal to ut plus half at square.
Okay, tell me. U is
S
how
is
much?
equal to
U is
10,
10.
sir.
U is
10,
10 into
10
times
into 120.
120 plus
120 plus half into 1 by 12 into 120 into 120.
20 to 10 20. So distance is equal to
S is
1200,
equal to 1200 plus
600. So
600.
1800 meters is the distance.
1800 meters.
Now substitute 1800 here. 1800.
1800.
So how much? 18, 1, 2, 3,
18,
4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6
10 power 6
joules.
joules.
Power?
Power
Power.
is equal to work by time.
18 into 10 to the power
18
of
into
6
10
by
power 6 by 120. 2
2
into 60.
2 9 is
9.
a
9 into
320 is a 3 3 is a. So this is
3.
1.5 into 10 to the power of
1.5
5
into 10
watts.
power 5 watts.
1.5 10 to the power of 5 watts. Please copy down children and try to practice the sums children. I told maximum number of sums in work children. So in next class if it is possible I'll tell energy children. So maximum I told. Please copy down.